We are here today at Road America in one of my favorite performance vehicles, the Challenger Scat Pack 392 wide body. Stay tuned at the end of the video for some driving impressions. Until then, enjoy this lap. So I've actually spent a bunch of time in these cars on racetracks. I give thrill rides at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and they have a fleet of Hellcat wide bodies there that we usually drive. I will say the Hellcat is great, the supercharger sounds awesome, the power feels amazing, but this Scat Pack Plus is just as fun to drive. It may not technically be as fast, but you honestly can't really tell there's a huge difference in power. The way the transmission responds, the way everything drives, it is just such a phenomenal vehicle. Anyway guys, really high marks for the Challenger wide body. Excited to see the new Charger wide body that was just released yesterday. Stay tuned for that one, I'm sure at some point this year. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video.